Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to give an image input option in your web page using HTML tag. So let's start. This is Sublime Text Editor. Here we will do the coding. So first we have to save the page. Save as input.html. So if you don't know about this format, watch our first video, HTML full course for beginners. Link is in the description. Let's start this topic. So first give a title to this topic. Input image, then come to body. Here we have to give input, so we will give a input tag. First we have to give a class. In the class we will give file upload input because we have to upload a file. And type, because this is a file type, so we will give file. And no need to give a name attribute. We will give one more attribute, that is on change attribute, because again and again we can change the URL. And there is one more attribute called accept. We will give an image because we have to only take the image as an input. So our coding is completed. Let's run this coding. Here is our input. So you can see here this is a choose file, and this is, here we have not chosen any file, so it's here no file chosen. Let's choose a file. Yeah, now here we can choose a file. Let's choose this screenshot 7 and open this. Here it's screenshot7.png has been chosen. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe our channel.